backing up. Hey, open your crate. Take it around. Good girl. Heel. Good girl. Around. Heel. Good girl. Around. Sit. Good. Thank you. Good job. Jerry, shut the door. Come here, girl. Good. Okay, girl, go turn. Good girl. Come here. Good. 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 Target. Excellent. Target. Good. Target. Good. Target. Good. Okay, good job. The hand target. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. Touch. Good girl. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. Touch. Good job. So this is the shell game, and she's got to find her frog. And we'll do 2 of them in a row and edit it. So that's a good girl. Stay. So the shell's in this one, or the frog's in this one. Move it around. And Jenny, find the frog. There's the frog. Good girl. Yes, there's the froggy. Good job. Good girl. Okay, back up. Back up. Lie down. Good. Good girl, Jill. Find the frog. Yes, that's the froggy. Good job. Okay. Good. Good girl. Back up. Stay there. Good. So now this is the...
Am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording? Good. Then I'm going to come up here. I'm 12 feet at least away. And we'll see if she can do the 6 things from here. So I'm going to ask her to cover her nose. Good. Cover. Good. Sit. Good. Wave. Good wave. Down. Good. Over. Good. Sit. Good. Turn. Oh, back up. Back. Good girl. Front. Good. Round. Go to your mat. Good girl. Oh, wipe your feet. Wipe your feet. Good girl. All right. That'll work. Good job. Jenny, look at me. Jump. Good. Good girl. That's excellent. Good job. start. Jelly, cover up. Good girl. Gonna do the rings. Yeah, there you go. Come here. Here you go. Ready? You ready? Catch it. Put it on the stick. Very good. Catch it. Good. Put it on the stick. Yes. Good. Put it on the stick. Nice. Come here. Good. Put it on the stick. Excellent. Good job. Think about it. Nice. Good. Jelly's got mail. Thank you. Nice. Very good. Achoo. Thank you. Good girl. Good job. Very good. Come on, Joe. Go get the light. Good girl, yes! Go turn it off. Awesome, good. Turn. You got this? Good. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Yes. Come on. Okay. Good job. Good job. Okay, Jelly, push it. Good girl. Push it. That's it. That's it. Good girl. Very good. Yay, Jelly, come on. Yes, good girl. Good job. Good job. Okay, off. Here, get in your bed. So, see these keys? That's what you're gonna find. Right on. Good. Stay. Then you need to follow me. Stay, girl. Because I'm going to hide these keys. And I'll hide them under the front door. So there they are, underneath the front doormat. Okay, go. Find out. You got him. What a good girl. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Put it away. Good girl. Get it. Put it away. That's it. Put your toys away. Good. Another one. Excellent. Get this one. Good. This one here. One more. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Very good. Very good. Good job.